Welcome CNG 124 to week number 12. I hope you guys had fun with VLSM, and we start to dive into more VLSM this week and looking at another layer of the TCP/IP or OSI model type layer. And one thing to remember again that these are completely metaphorical, theoretical. They just help you explain the concept to somebody else or help to visualize how the network works. So VLSM2, once again, we take a packet, make sure to count every network. Once you know something, it's hard for me to do anything different than to change it up on you a little bit. So make sure to take your time with these. Count every subnet and ask, or not ask, but like tally, run some numbers so you verify you're making the correct count at this time. We don't have a packet tracer lab this week. I believe so. But this one is using Wireshark. We dive into Wireshark again, and we're going to look at three-way handshake. Make sure that you, when you do the three-way handshake, and if your network has a lot of people on it, you're going to get a lot of information really fast. And if you can, try not to stream. If you have a smart TV, maybe make sure it's off. Definitely try to reduce your traffic on your internal network, and that'll help you get this done. Another cool thing about Wireshark, you can use it in your house to monitor your Wi-Fi. I was going to combine those words. Monitor your Wi-Fi by using you can buy like a $25 Netgear wireless adapter for your laptop or your desktop, and use that to scan your wireless, and that's just kind of help you keep track of what's going on in your home network. Wireshark, very valuable tool. In fact, I just used it on my Regis course. Let me see if I can find. That's right there. Okay. So I just used Wireshark on my Regis course. Not necessarily inspecting three-way handshakes, but looking at what kind of traffic is on my network and dissecting it from there. Wireshark's very, very powerful tool used for hacking, inspecting network traffic. If you were on the outside of somebody's network, you could listen to their network traffic, start to pick up, start to dissect the information for their Wi-Fi password, and then eventually get that Wi-Fi password and breach their system. So here we are. Once again, not very big lab that I had this week. I breezed through it pretty quick. But if you look down here, set up a machine behind your router on your home network. Oops, this one's Nmap. This one's Nmap, but Wireshark, fairly close to the same thing. Just look at what's on your network, what the traffic is. I thought I had a Wireshark one this week. Yeah, but once again, I kind of know what's on my network. What I like to look at is definitely the wireless side. So if you do have a wireless adapter, feel free to look at that. But this week we're looking at three-way handshake with a server out on the internet. Very cool thing to do. And just a reminder, this is happening milliseconds time that you're getting these answers taken care of. You guys have a good start of the week, and get those 2 labs going and those activities. Yep. And I'll start grading here. This should be a slow week. Next week should be a relatively slow week, but I think the week coming up for Thanksgiving, let me pull a calendar here, the 23rd to the 27th, I do have to work, and it sounds like I'll be the only one in town. So if something does happen, I will have to go into the office, the building, and take care of it, because I'll be the only one in Colorado, or I should say the only one near our station. The week after that, when we come back, will be our last week together, our last full week together, and then we'll have Monday, Tuesday, the 7th and the 8th, also together. Make sure that at this time, since we're in week 11, if you have any outstanding assignments, get those in. If I left you any feedback saying, okay, correct this and turn it in, correct it and turn it in. If I didn't say turn it in, you always have that possibility to turn stuff in. If I didn't expressly say it in that, just so you know, 124, 132, 213, 256, 133, 120, all those classes, I give you guys the option to do the work and get that in, and I'll grade it. It may not be immediately, but I'll definitely get around to grading it.